Good. So you're clapping for what Sudesh Sharma did. You're also saying that you like what both Mr. Rajgopal and Mr. Prasad did in Parliament. Is that what you're saying, Gaurav? So you're clapping for what...
No, Rahul, that is not the way it should be interpreted.
How else can it
what
be interpreted?
Mr. Mulayam Singh
I'm quoting
Yadav
what Mulayam Singh said.
Was that, I will tell you, I will tell you, we have to see the context in which it has been said, and the context is this: nobody, no party, and at least the Samajwadi Party will say that such unruly scenes should happen in the temple of democracy.
Well, your
But
leader is justifying it. Gaurav Bhatia, are you and Mulayam Singh on the same page? Are you on different parties? Are you not representing the Samajwadi Party tonight? Because this is what Mulayam is saying. What you're saying is contrary to what your leader has said.
Rahul, no, I am not. I am not. His statement is MPs who created chaos in Parliament had no other option.
Yeah.
And it's true that what happened in the Parliament has been because of UPA's failure. It has been because the other parties are not taken into confidence before tabling these important bills. It has happened because they have been acting in a dictatorial manner where they even ignore their allies. It is happening because when we talk about important bills like
to murdering democracy, in my view, but you're raising some points,
it has to be.
And Dr. Singhvi must answer those points, because the Samajwadi Party is saying the manner in which the Congress government acted
I'll give you
left
an example.
these MPs
Rahul,
with no choice.
I will.
Yes.
I'll give you an example.
Let
there
him complete,
was a bill that is promotion in. There is a bill that was forced upon by the UPA government, and that bill is reservation in promotion. No party has been taken into confidence. If there are parties that are criticizing certain provisions, then they should also be made to understand, or that
but there is disagreement even in the United Kingdom. They don't come to blows over there. You challenge someone through debate, through retort. You don't start beating that person up, but you've raised a point. Dr. Singhvi must answer that before I bring the other guests in. Dr. Singhvi, respond to the direct charge being leveled at the Congress, sir.
Let me answer, Rahul. This is not a small factual point. It's a much larger principle. Look, Parliament is the center place, the showpiece of disagreement. The very heart and soul of parliamentary democracy is disagreement. It is welcome. It should be encouraged. Now, there will be disagreement on everything, procedure, substance. When you have terrorism, you have frequently people saying, I am a terrorist because my poverty justifies it. I am a terrorist because my religion justifies it. I am a terrorist because my fundamentalism justifies it. We always say terrorism is non-negotiable. It's reason neutral. When it comes to Parliament, you have to apply the same zero tolerance policy. You may disagree, you can get up and abuse in the best short of unparliamentary language you can. But you cannot physically disrupt, because that reason for that disruption, inspired by whatever noble motive or inspired by whatever sense of unease or whatever sense of being cheated, cannot justify disruption. Unless and until you have that non-negotiation rule, a zero tolerance rule, you will keep having exceptions. Today I can disrupt because in the assembly Mr. Gaurav Bhatia's party doesn't allow me to speak. Tomorrow you can disrupt because there is a procedural error. Day after, Mr. Naresh Agarwal will disrupt because he is not allowed to speak for 10 minutes at a time.
Parliament is
That's not the point.
Disruption
That
Gaurav
is
Bhatia wants to
when the speaker says,
and give a rejoinder.
When the speaker says no, you have to sit down.
Allow Gaurav to come in and respond to what you're saying.
Yeah. It is, I am making a larger point that it is time for the UPA to introspect that why were the parties forced for such a conduct.
Gaurav, while you're pontificating against the UPA, what do you have to say about Sudesh Sharma, who levels the same charge against the Samajwadi Party government in Uttar Pradesh? Do you forget that? Sudesh Sharma is listening to you pontificate about the UPA.
Rahul,
he says the same thing about you in Uttar Pradesh. How do you respond to him?
I would bring to your notice, Rahul, that in this assembly session and the government that has been formed, in the last 2 years, they have been functioning assembly for the first time. In the last government, in fact, there were no assembly sessions. There were short assembly sessions. I think to the achievement of this government, we have had constructive.
सुदेश जी, आप सहमत हैं? कम से कम असेंबली बैठ तो रही है, बात करने का मौका तो मिल रहा है, कह रहे हैं गौरव भाटिया, कहते हैं मायावती के टाइम पे तो ये भी नहीं होता था।
सर मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूं।
बोलिए
कि देखिए, जिसको कम से फांसी दी जा रही हो, जिसके बारे में बात कही जा रही हो, कम से कम उसको भी तो